What's the meaning of brilliantine? Brilliantine. Brilliantine.
Brilliantine. Brilliantine. Brilliantine is a hair styling product that was popular in the early 20th century. It's a type of hair pomade that gives hair a shiny, slicked-back look. Brilliantine is typically made from a combination of oils, waxes, and other ingredients that give hair a sleek, glossy appearance. When applied to hair, it can provide hold and control while also adding a subtle sheen. Overall, brilliantine was a popular hair product that helped people achieve a polished, refined look during its heyday.